In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in Gmail. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to share access to their Gmail account securely and efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be able to grant someone else access to your email without compromising your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, you can find the Gmail link right in the top right corner of the browser. When you click on that link, it will take you directly to the Gmail login page. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account. This step is essential because it allows you to manage your settings and permissions effectively. You should see your inbox filled with emails, which indicates you are logged in successfully. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the top right corner. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select See All Settings. This action leads you to a comprehensive settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Gmail account. This is important because it gives you control over how your account operates and who can access it. You should now see several tabs at the top of the settings page. Now click on the Accounts and Import tab, or simply Accounts if you have a different layout. This section is crucial for managing how accounts interact with each other. You will find options related to sending emails, importing mail, and granting access to your account. This organization makes it easier to navigate and find the settings you need. You should notice several options listed which are pertinent to account permissions. From there, scroll down until you reach the Grant Access to Your Account section. This part of the settings allows you to specify who can access your Gmail account. It's vital to review this section carefully because it involves sharing your email capabilities with another person. You will see a brief description of the permissions you can grant, which will help you understand the implications of your choices. Next up, click on the Add Another Account button. This is where the process of granting access begins. When you click this button, a new prompt will appear, allowing you to enter the email address of the person you wish to give access to. This action is significant because it starts the process of collaboration, enabling another user to help manage your inbox. You should see a space to input the email address, which is where you will enter the recipient's information. After that, enter the person's email address in the provided field. Once you've done that, click Next Step. This will lead you to the final action of sending the access request. You'll then need to click Send Email to grant access. This step is crucial as it sends a notification to the recipient, allowing them to confirm their access. You should receive a message confirming that the request has been sent, which reassures you that you're on the right track. Finally, the recipient must open their email and click the confirmation link to accept the access request. This step is important because it ensures that the person you are granting access to is aware and agrees to it. After they click the link, permissions will be activated, allowing them to manage your account as specified. It's a straightforward process that enhances collaboration while maintaining your control over your Gmail account. With these steps completed, you have successfully set permissions in Gmail. You've empowered someone else to assist you with your email while ensuring your privacy and security remain intact.